Hydashop has recently gained attention as an online retail platform, offering a wide array of products that range from electronics and home appliances to personal care items, lifestyle goods, and accessories. With the increasing popularity of online shopping, many first-time buyers are naturally cautious, often questioning whether Hydashop is a legitimate store or a potential scam. Upon close examination, the website itself presents a professional interface, featuring product images, detailed descriptions, pricing information, and multiple payment options. However, a deeper look reveals that customer experiences are mixed. Several buyers have reported receiving their orders promptly, with products matching the descriptions and working as expected, which indicates that Hydashop does deliver to some customers reliably. On the other hand, there are accounts of delayed shipments, difficulties with refunds, or unresponsive customer service, which raise legitimate concerns for cautious shoppers. Additionally, independent verification of the company's physical address, business registration, and customer support channels appears limited, making it harder to fully confirm the store's authenticity. While there is no concrete evidence suggesting Hydashop is a scam, the inconsistencies in customer experiences imply that potential buyers should approach with caution. For anyone considering purchasing from Hydashop, it is advisable to research individual products carefully, read verified reviews from trusted sources, verify return and refund policies, and use secure payment methods to minimize risk. Overall, while Hydashop may serve as a functional online marketplace for certain shoppers, it is important to maintain realistic expectations regarding delivery times, product quality, and customer service responsiveness, and to exercise due diligence before placing any orders.